Good morning to all. Now I explain the subject is corporate accounting. The unit name is company final accounts. The company final accounts consists two statements. What are the two statements? One is statement of profit and loss account and another one is statement of balance sheet. Now I explain the statement of profit and loss account. Okay, the statement of profit and loss account consists two headings. One is income and another one is expenses. It is considered as a heading or a two parts. In a income heading under two particulars. One is revenue from operations and other one is other income. What is revenue from operations? The business transaction. The business transaction mainly happen by buying and selling. In this case, revenue from operation. So, in a sales, we get a revenue. This is called a working notes. The revenue from operation consists sales and gross profit only. Then other income. The company earned other income by the way of profit on sale of fixed assets, interest on fixed deposit, interest on investment, and discount and commission. Okay. Then total the two items. It is called total revenue. Then I explain the expenses. First one is cost of materials consumed. Cost of material consumed. In the name sense, it has considered the materials. That means opening stock plus purchase, add any carriage on purchase minus closing stock, we get cost of material consumed or cost of goods sold. Afterwards, employee benefit expenses. Employee benefit expenses are wages, salaries, bonus, gratuity, and medical expenses. Finance cost. What are the items are finance cost? The finance cost consists interest on overdraft, interest on debentures, interest on public deposit, interest on cash credit, interest on term loans, and discount on issue of debentures. Okay. The next one is depreciation and amortization expenses. It has depreciation and preliminary expenses. Then other expenses. Other expenses are administration expenses, selling expenses, carriage outwards, telephone expenses, carriage outwards, rent and rates, electricity expenses, and sundry expenses. Afterwards, we have to total the expenses column. We get total expenses. The difference between total revenue and total expenses, it is called profit before extraordinary items and tax. Afterwards, we have to list extraordinary items and tax. Now we get profit loss for the period. In this format, it is asked for university exam 5-mark question to write the format of statement of profit and loss account. In this case, we have to write the statement as well as the working also. Now I explain one problem in statement of profit and loss account. This is the problem. Particulars is given. Particulars are opening stock, purchases, sales, closing stock, rent and tax, insurance, electricity charges, salaries, directors fees, auditors fees, commission, advertisement, discount received, office expenses, depreciation, bank charges, preliminary expenses, bad debts, and interest on loan. Okay, now we have to do the solution. In this problem, first we have to work out the workings. Revenue from operation. In a revenue from operation, sales is given. We have to take the sales. Other income, discount received is given. Then cost of goods sold or cost of materials consumed. Opening stock, purchase and closing stocks are the items are given in the problem. So we have to take it. Opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock, we get 2,45,000 as a cost of goods sold or cost of materials consumed. Employee benefit expenses. In this problem, only one item is given. It is called salaries. We have to take salaries only. Afterwards, finance cost, interest on loan. It is considered as a finance cost. Then depreciation and amortization expenses. In this problem, depreciation and preliminary expenses are given. So we have to take it. The total amount is 9,500. And other expenses. Afterwards, the seventh one is other expenses. Okay. Uh, then rent and tax, insurance, it is a seventh number, note number is 7. Okay. Once again. Okay. Afterwards, I change it. Rent and tax, insurance, electricity charges, director fees, auditor fees, commission, advertisement, office expenses, bank charges, bad debts. These are considered as other expenses. We get the total 46,500. Okay, this is a working. We must do the working. Afterwards, we go for the statement. We write income, revenue from operation, other income, and so. Put the note number also. Revenue from operation, we have to take the total only. Amount is 4 lakh and other income amount is 3,500. Total is 4 lakh 3,500. And cost of material consumed total amount is 2 lakh 45,000. Employees benefit expenses total is 39,500. Finance cost amount is 3,000. Depreciation and amortization total is 9,500. And other expenses total is 46,500. Then we have to total the total expenses. Now we get the profit difference between the total revenue and total expenses. It is called a profit. We get 60,000 as a profit. Thank you.